Welcome to Future Cars Updates. Today, we're diving into a truly special release, Chevrolet's stunning blend of classic and modern, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup. If you're a fan of old-school American muscle infused with modern technology, you're in for a treat. Imagine a truck that takes you back to the golden era of the 1950s but gives you the reliability, power, and features of today's best pickups. Chevrolet has done just that by reintroducing the iconic 210 as a vintage-style pickup. It's a tribute to the past while keeping up with the future, and it's set to turn heads wherever it goes. From the first look, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup screams nostalgia. It brings back the rounded fenders, chrome-heavy front grille, and classic two-tone paint schemes reminiscent of the original 210 series. Chevrolet has kept the retro body lines intact but refined them with a modern touch, adding LED headlights that resemble the original round lamps but with a futuristic glow. The tailgate proudly displays the Chevrolet script, giving it that unmistakable vintage charm. But don't be fooled by its retro looks. Underneath that classic exterior lies modern engineering. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers multiple powertrain options, including a 6.2L V8 producing 450 horsepower and a more eco-friendly hybrid variant for those looking to blend power with efficiency. And yes, for those embracing the electric revolution, Chevrolet is also expected to offer an all-electric version with over 350 miles of range and rapid charging capability. No matter which engine you choose, the 210 vintage pickup is built to perform. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly balances old-school aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard retains its vintage appeal with classic dials and a metal-finished look, but a hidden 12-inch digital touchscreen gives you access to Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring that you stay connected no matter where the road takes you. The seating is wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching that complements the truck's color scheme, and for added comfort, there are heated and ventilated seats, a high-end Bose sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. When it comes to performance and drivability, Chevrolet has ensured that the 210 vintage pickup feels like a modern truck. The suspension system has been completely reworked, offering a smoother ride while still maintaining a classic truck feel. With an adaptive air suspension available in higher trims, this truck isn't just about looking good, it's built to handle the road with confidence. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, it delivers a balanced and refined ride. Safety is another area where Chevrolet has upgraded the 210 pickup. Modern driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced 360-degree camera system come standard. These features ensure that while you're driving a truck that looks straight out of the 1950s, you're protected by the latest in automotive safety. For those who love customization, Chevrolet is offering a range of trim options, from the base Classic Edition to the top-of-the-line Signature Series, which comes with exclusive color choices, premium wheels, and a more aggressive stance. Enthusiasts can also opt for custom body kits and performance upgrades to make their 210 truly unique. Now, the big question: how much will this piece of modern nostalgia cost? While Chevrolet hasn't officially announced the price, experts predict it will start at around $55,000 for the base model, with the fully loaded Signature Series potentially crossing the $80,000 mark. Given the level of craftsmanship, technology, and performance packed into this truck, it's a worthy investment for collectors and truck enthusiasts alike. So, what do you think about the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup? Does it capture the spirit of the classic 210 while delivering everything you expect from a modern truck? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love seeing the latest and greatest in future car updates, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates, and we'll see you in the next video.